Have you queued for much? I can't see you being a little queuer.
I'm not a big fan of queues, a bit impatient. And actually, you would think Glastonbury, which I went to, would have big queues to get in. Wasn't too bad, honestly, not even probably as bad as that.
Well, at least it was a nice day for the queuing, wasn't it?
Yeah, we had some really lovely sunshine today and lots of people have been out and making the most of it because we had some blue skies and some fantastic bright weather. Plenty of you actually making the most and getting towards the coast as well. It looks really lovely there with the waves lapping and almost sort of a golden sort of day.
That is beautiful,
isn't it?
Yeah,
really
stunning.
Autumnal golden sun there. So it was lovely to see that. A little clue that perhaps we aren't in summer when you look at these pictures is you can see the trees blowing a bit in the wind because it was fairly breezy today. And some other slight cues that we are in autumn, some lovely fungi and mushrooms popping up, sparkling in that sunshine.
Feel the autumn in it, can't you?
Yeah, so a beautiful bright day and also a bright night ahead with the aurora.
Yes, so there has been some aurora activity of late, and actually somebody's been ahead of the game. Sharon has already captured some really colourful skies in Guernsey, beautiful pinky sort of colours there. And the good news is there could be the chance to see the aurora again tonight. So we've got the sort of forecast here. The best chance is northern parts of the UK, but actually considering that there were some sightings from Sharon last night, you might be lucky tonight. And although it tends to be best viewing conditions sort of early as we approach dawn, it is looking to be a bit cloudy. So I'd say your best chance tonight is once the sun sets early evening. You don't need to get up all that late. And it's all to do with something called coronal mass ejections. Basically, the sun sends these particles towards the earth, and that's what reflects and makes these really fantastic colours.
Brilliant. Desperate to see that. Have you seen it?
No.
No, I'd love to see it.
Could be your chance.
Could be tonight, couldn't it? What about all the Christmas events that are coming up as well? Different kind of festivities, different kind of colour.
Yeah, there's going to be lots happening across the islands over the next few weeks. And actually, tomorrow there's some festivities in Jersey, the Tiny Tot switch on. Weather-wise, the good news is mild. It won't be too cold, but maybe pack your umbrella or your waterproofs. Could be a little damp, hopefully the rain clearing off. And then for the switch on Friday, again, that rain should be clearing, fingers crossed, and feeling fairly mild too. Guernsey switch on a little bit later in the month, so you have to stay tuned. But here's some other details now. Well, we had some lovely colours as the sun was coming up this morning with some pinks and oranges, and then it turned into a fine autumn day. Very pleasant conditions outside. We had some blue skies and we had a good deal of sunshine in the mix too, with mostly dry conditions. Taking a look at what's in store to come as we head into tomorrow, perhaps not as pleasant to be out and about, perhaps a bit more cloud later on in the afternoon, but we should still get some sunshine through the middle part of the day. Chance of some rain first thing and again later on, that rain returning tomorrow, and it is feeling mild still, but as we head towards the weekend and into next week, we'll start to see those temperatures dipping off a bit more closer in line to what we'd expect for this time of year. Back to tonight though, clear periods to start and then that cloud starting to move in, bringing with it the chance of some rain and drizzle after midnight. We've still got a fresh breeze coming from the south, and it is going to be another mild night, minimum temperatures across the islands of 13 to 14 degrees. Into tomorrow then, first thing could be a bit cloudy, perhaps with some of that rain lingering, but soon drying out and actually brightening up too. We can expect some sunny periods throughout the middle part of the day before that cloud makes a return, bringing back with it the wet weather. It is still feeling mild tomorrow. We've got highs of 16 degrees, the winds slightly calmer compared to today. Let's get a check on those times of high water now around midnight and then later on between 12:30 and 1:30, with the sea temperature hovering at 14 degrees. So in summary, tomorrow a bit of a mixed bag, some bright spells in the middle of the day, but some cloud and rain, staying quite cloudy later on and getting cooler too.